And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Thanks to the PTA and its volunteers for hosting an incredible family fun night. You guys are amazing.
This is Sea Lion leader Grayson Surtees with this week's announcements. Sea Lion Chorus is practicing this Monday after school. Math Lab begins after school on Tuesday. See you after school. Mad Scientist Assembly for the top earners in Jogathon is on Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Have fun! Pageant is coming soon. There is a costume check on Thursday after school. OSS closet returns are due by Friday. Please make sure you wash the items that you borrowed and return them to the main office. The DJ Bubble Dance Party is on Friday at lunch. Let's dance! Chick-fil-A is being delivered this Friday to all the top earners in the Jogathon. Enjoy your special lunch! That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Welcome back, 5th graders. We're so excited to have you back on campus.
I got Robux. Kindergarten.
Congratulations to UTK student Sunny Wieswright from Mrs. Tochioka's class. Miss Olveda writes that Sunny was a great helper on the green team on Friday. Thanks so much.
1st grade.
Mr. Larson wants to shout out 1st grader from Miss Lou's class, Emily Hamilton. He writes that she had great participation in the morning meeting today. Thanks for sharing your thoughts and feelings.
2nd grade.
Miss Melissa wants to shout out Leo Trujillo from Miss Smith and Miss Line's class. She says that Leo was feeling a little bit shy when a tetherball player was more skilled than him, but he took a chance and ended up having so much fun. Way to take a risk, Leo.
3rd grade.
Ms. Olveda wants to shout out 3rd grader Bella Herrera. She writes that Bella is always a good helper at lunch, and this week she helped by picking up the table cones. Thanks for being thoughtful about everyone else.
4th grade.
Dr. Arias is thrilled to announce that 4th grader Sadie Wagner is this week's winner. He writes that Sadie continues to lead by example by treating everyone with kindness. Thanks so much for making our school a better place.
5th grade.
Mrs. Breedlove is excited to announce that 5th grader Sarah Missbrenner earned the Secret Student for being on task, focused, and ready to learn. Way to go.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.